So the next question goes like this. The question is 1 plus cos pi by 7 plus cos 2 pi by 7 plus cos 3 pi by 7 plus cos 4 pi by 7 plus cos 5 pi by 7 plus cos 6 pi by 7. So what do you find? What do you find? See, it's such a lengthy question. We can't sit and calculate this for minutes together in the exam hall. So you can see that this is cos A, cos B, cos A, cos B. If I group it like that in such a way that A plus B becomes pi, then I can say cos A plus cos B equal to 0. So I'll keep this 1 plus as it is, and I'm going to group them like this: cos pi by 7 and pi by 1 pi by 7, 6 pi by 7. I'll group it. So that becomes cos pi by 7 plus cos 6 pi by 7. Then I'll take cos 2 pi by 7 plus cos 5 pi by 7, cos 2 pi by 7 plus cos 5 pi by 7 plus, and I'm going to round off this and it will come here. And now children, as you see, A plus B here will be pi by 7 plus 6 pi by 7, 7 pi by 7 is equal to pi. So I can declare this as 0, this as 0, this also as 0. So the answer consecutively will be equal to 1, and sometimes they will give without 1, then the answer would be 0. Nice, is it not? And then this is question number 3. Now we will go to the next question, a little difference with this. We will go to the next question, that is cos square 1 degree. As you see the question, once again it's so huge and it is very simpler to do with a little tactics. Cos square 1 degree plus cos square 2 degree plus cos square 3 degree plus and so on plus cos square 90 degree. What is all this equal to? And now whenever you see cos square and sin square, of course you can group cos square 1 and cos square 89. You can write that cos square as sin square of 90 minus something, and obviously it will become sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. But still if you know directly, so we have, if A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, then this implies that cos square A plus cos square B is equal to 1. But then you have from 1 to 90, how many can you calculate? We have to see how many pairs will come. How many pairs will come? 1 to 90 total is 90 terms. So I'll pair them with 2, 2. So you will get altogether 45 pairs. But then what you see here is, what is cos 90? Cos 90 is itself 0. So I should leave cos 90. So I cannot, so this will be like what? I have 44 pairs plus cos square 90. So what is in between that will not have its pair? That will be 45, because 90 divided by 2 is 45. So that will be cos square 45. So what do I decide here now? So this is equal to 44 pairs with value what? With value what? How am I telling that? 45 pairs with value 1. How am I telling this? This is nothing but cos square 1 degree plus cos square 89 degree. 89 plus 1 makes it as 90, or the one behind this. Next I can say cos square 2 degree plus cos square 88 degrees. This was the reason I told you that the pairs that I can make is actually 44 pairs with value 1. And then I have this cos square 45 degrees. And then I have this cos square 90 degrees. So what is that you have now? 44 into 1 is giving you 44 plus cos square 45 is 1 by root 2 the whole square, and cos 90 is 0. So what is this up to? This is equal to 44 plus 1 by 2. 44 into 2 is 88 plus 1 is 89 by 2. After doing 2 or 3 problems of such, there is no need to take so much of time, few seconds you can find out the answer. So this answer was which option? The answer was 89 by 2, and that is D option. And we'll go to one another question like this, that is, if ABCD is about cyclic quadrilateral. So which means that you should know the special properties of cyclic quadrilateral also when it comes to angles. So what is cyclic quadrilateral? What is its speciality? If you have a cyclic quadrilateral, say ABCD taken in order in the sense after B angle you cannot come here. The very next one adjacent angle will be C. That is the meaning of taking in order. When you take like this, angle A plus angle C will be supplementary. A and opposite angles will be supplementary. Totally they will make 180 degrees. So B and D will be equal to 180 degrees. So what have we seen? If A plus B is equal to 180 degrees, what can we see? Cos A plus cos B is equal to 0. Once again, that's why I have taken cos problem. So the problem goes like this. You have cos of 180 degree plus A plus cos of 180 degree minus A plus cos of 180 degree minus C. I hope many of you have done by this time. I'll be very happy if you have done. Minus sign of 90 minus D. First of all, we'll apply our angles, the quadrant convention. A 180 plus A comes to which quadrant? 180 plus comes to third quadrant, cos is negative. So we got minus cos A. 180 minus comes to second quadrant, there also cos is negative, minus cos A. Next is 180 minus, once again second quadrant, cos is negative, minus cos C. What about this? Sin 90 minus comes to first quadrant, sin is positive, but because we are using 90 degrees, sin becomes cos. So we have minus cos D. What do you find? Entire you have minus common. So we have cos A plus, oh I have written something wrong. This was B. So this is going to be B. Cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D. Let's group this because it is cyclic quadrilateral, angles of cyclic quadrilateral. A plus C is going to become 180 degrees. So cos A plus cos C I'll group. The other group is cos B plus cos D. So here we say A plus C is equal to pi and here B plus D is equal to pi. So irrespective of plus and minus, we have got 0. So the answer was